Hey guys, there's 75 days left till the new year, and our goal for the next 75 days is to accomplish 1,000 hours of work. And I'm not talking about unstructured work, I'm talking about productive, scheduled, timely work. Putting in exactly what you need to put into the input and having the patience to reap the rewards of the output. The thing is, you have to put a lot of work in to achieve something great, but you only have to make a few mistakes to ruin that achievement. So please let that sink in. It takes a lot of work to achieve something great, but you can ruin that all in the blink of an eye. So the next 75 days, we're going to be the best we can possibly be. And what does that entail? That means being closer with God, being more structured with our time, having things scheduled out 30 minutes, hours, having meetings back to back, having virtual assistants assisting us, and automating 90% of our processes with AI. If you haven't joined our AI Entrepreneurs free course below on school.com, definitely check that out. It is free for a limited time, but legacy members will remain free. It's all about cultivating a strong community. I can't keep it free forever because at the end of the day, it's a lot of valuable information, and we want to keep raising the bar so that the quality of people in the community is at a high level. I personally pay $10,000 to be in a mastermind, and the quality of people in that mastermind are excellent, but I want to be able to reach as many people as possible. That's why for now it's free. As we grow our community, as we learn how to utilize AI and to make our businesses better. But for the next 75 days, what are your goals? What do you really want to achieve? And don't have self-limiting beliefs. Don't be complacent. Do the things it takes to succeed. You know what it is, you know what they are, you've been told them, you've been thinking about them, but then you'd go and do something dumb for instant gratification. Be disciplined. Don't watch porn. Don't party on the weekend. Don't do what 99% of people are doing, because 99% of people are not where you want to be. If you're watching this video, you want to be successful. I'm a father of two. I'm 30 years old now. For me, it's about what legacy am I going to leave for my boys. That's what matters to me. That's my why. And it makes it so easy to make my decisions because I'm like Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. I'm just proud and I make decisions based off pride. It's a new chapter of my life, and 30 is really when you realize that you don't have forever. You only have one life, and mortality starts kicking in. So I'm grateful I became a dad at 26. It taught me so much. I have two twin boys, knock on wood, and I couldn't ask for anything else, but it made me become a man. It's made me be structured, and it also taught me that time is your most valuable asset. So if you're not buying your time back, check out the AI Entrepreneurs free school community or book a call on AIentrepreneurs.com, and we'll give you a free blueprint on how you can use APIs and different AI tools to automate 90% of what you do. So if you're not building a brand, creating a service, and scaling your business, leveraging AI, you're making a big mistake. So get started now. I know you can do it. Good luck.